Okay.
Oh, never mind.
They were, closed. She was very sassy.
Oops.
She was really mean.
She said, I'm sorry, we're closed.
Like, you could have said it nicer than that.
She said, I'm sorry, we're closed.
I know. Whatever. Annalise's bags are very heavy. White picket fence. Attractive male. Attractive male. Trying to zoom in. What? Where'd he go? He left. Oh, he's right there. There he is.
Should I shout to him?
No.
I could be like, hello, attractive male.
No.
Why, I'm never gonna come here again.
If you're gonna do that, you gotta let me walk like 10 paces in front of you first.
Then I'm not gonna do it, because that's lame.
Okay.